welcome to my channel, and yes, I'm back again. I'm bringing you guys my second Walgreens haul because I wanted to show you some deals that you guys can check. Now also right now is the best time to just walk down every aisle and just kind of get a feel for things. They're moving things around, they're discounting a lot of stuff, and one thing that I found, and I should go back to get more, are the Bounty paper towels. Now please keep in mind this is different at every store, but these said that they were 50% off. So these were marked $3.74, okay? I didn't have any coupons on me, but I scanned the item and there was a digital coupon. The coupon did come off at the registers. So you guys would end up getting this for $2.74, which I think is a great deal, especially on Bounty paper towels. So definitely stock up on that deal if you guys have those coupons, because I don't know, I think $2.74 is a pretty decent price. I mean, anything under $3 that comes out less than 50 cents a paper towel or roll, I think that's a great deal. So, had to show you guys that deal. Now, my son opened this while we were shopping, but I ended up getting the Special K cereal. Now, these are on sale for 2 for $6, but then they didn't have a sign up that says it was buy one, get one free. So you guys would get both boxes for $2 or $3, okay? So $3 for 2 boxes, that's $1.50. That's a pretty good price. But then you guys can actually print off a $1 off coupon, $1 off a 2 coupon on the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I definitely recommend joining. You guys just scan your receipts for the Kellogg's products and you guys get stuff. You guys can get gift cards and everything, so I just want to share with you guys on that deal. But you guys will get both of these for $2. Now, when you scan your receipt and submit it, you guys can, if you buy 3 of these, you can get a nice bottle. The bottle does take a while to get. My last live video, I showed you guys what it looks like. I have 2. I just need to buy 1 more box to get a 3rd bottle. It's limit 3 per household. And then there's also a deal where if you buy the Special K, you get, I think every 2, you get an EOS lip balm. So definitely do that deal. It's just $1 off of 2. So nice water bottle and some lip balm for $2 and boxes of cereal. I think that's a great, great deal. I ended up doing the hair dye deal again because it showed up in my Ibotta. And don't worry, I am never dyeing my hair blonde. I am too pale to be blonde. I will put highlights in my hair, but I will never dye my hair blonde. My mom is blonde, and so I'm just getting her a bunch of hair dye because why should she pay for stuff when I can get it for her for free? So these are 2 for $14. You guys want to use those $3 off coupons that we got. You guys can print them off coupons.com, or you guys just got them in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You guys would end up, I have a whole list and I can't read. You guys would end up, where the heck is the hair dye? Oh, you guys would pay $8 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta for this, and a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta for that. So that's 2 different rebates. That's $5. You guys would end up getting both boxes for $1.50 or $3 for both of them, which I think is a pretty good deal for hair dye, especially at Walgreens. So could not pass that up deal, and I'm thinking that's the last time I'm going to do it. I was kind of surprised it didn't work, or it did reset, so we'll see about that. My hair is just like a mess. So this deal I did without my discount this time because it ended up being a better deal. So these were on clearance for $4.39. They are buy one, get one free, okay? Or buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 $2 off coupons that we got this 2 Sundays papers ago. You guys would end up paying just $2.58 for the both of these. But then you get 3,000 points for buying 2 of them, so it ends up becoming a 41-cent moneymaker. So Cannot go wrong with that. I just wanted to share you guys with that. I've used the Revlon mascara before. It's okay. I'm not going to say it's my favorite one, but I have used it. I prefer it over some other ones. I did the Pond's deal again because it reset. These are $3.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys would pay $5.68 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate times 2 on Ibotta. And you guys also get an additional 2,000 points for buying 2 of them. You guys will get both of these for just 68 cents. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and you guys will get points. So, and the same thing with the Revlon mascara. You can pay with points and get points. I also got, now one of you guys mentioned this, now the toothbrushes are going to be sold out for a while, but if you guys can ask your store to order a bunch, go for it. It's an all month thing. I also got those, the picks, and then somebody mentioned in my video to get the breath spray. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to try this and see what this is. I've never really gotten breath spray before, and I'm pretty excited to try it out. So this was $2.19. It's on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys would end up paying $3.28 for both of these, but then you guys get 2,000 points for buying these, and yes, you guys can pay with points. So after the 2,000 points, it comes out to be $1.28 or just 64 cents a piece. That's like 32 cents a spray. So I thought, hey, something new to try in case you guys need to keep your breath fresh. You got that going on. I'm just losing stuff. My son we bought a red nose, but he ripped it while we're in the store. But that's okay because I already have one. But we did buy a red nose. He just ripped it apart. So it's okay. And it's glitter. That's what I like. It's full of glitter. That's cool. So wanted to share that with you guys. I did the Tweezers deal again. Because with the employee discount that I get, they come out to be a really good deal, and I want to stock up on tweezers because I could put these in beauty boxes. So these are $3.79. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that we got in our inserts a couple weeks ago, plus the Walgreens booklet for $2 off. You guys would just get these for 79 cents a piece, which I think is an okay deal. I mean, it's up to you guys if you guys really want to get these. Usually we can get these free every once in a while, but for my discount, I like to get them even better. Now, I went crazy over candy because why not? I can bring this stuff to work with me. So I ended up doing more of the Oreo bars. I just had 4 more coupons left, and those coupons do expire next week. So I wanted to just use them up because I don't think I'll really need them next week. So these were on sale for 69 cents. You guys want to use those 55-cent off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just get each one for 14 cents a piece. So couldn't pass up those. I'm not a big fan of these. I don't like these. I tried the mint one the other day, and I actually really like it. So I'll eat the mint one, just not the regular one. Okay. I ended up getting the Hershey's Gold. Ta-da! Yeah. So these were 69 cents. There's a $1 off of 2 coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would end up getting 2 of them for just 38 cents. That is a great deal. 38 cents for 2 of them, and so I just used for 2 coupons, so I got more of these. I brought my bags to work the other day, and the guys, I work with all guys, but the guys just loved it. Everybody's like, oh my god, that's so good, that's so good. I have yet to try it, which I should try it, but I don't know, I got like a stack of candy like that high just of these. And then the next thing I bring to work also that the guys love are the Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch. Now these again are 69 cents on sale. Okay? You guys want to use those 50 cents off of 2 coupons. So the coupon's not the greatest, but if you guys really like this candy, I say go for it. But you guys want to use that 50 cents off of 2 coupon, you guys will get these for 88 cents or just 44 cents a piece, which could be a decent deal. I mean, some candy bars now are like $1, which I think is ridiculous. So I just got the regular caramel, and then I got the dark chocolate in the mint. So, yeah. A lot of you guys are wondering if I pay in points. Now, the reason why I don't mention if I pay in points, because everybody has a different balance. Some of you guys spend your money all the time, so you have 0 money in your rewards balance, and some people have a ton. I don't know. I don't really say if I pay with points or not, but pretty much every transaction that I do, I usually pay in points, but I don't ever factor that in because I don't know, just because. I mean, I tell you guys how much it is before points, and then I tell you guys what I got with my new points. So, I don't know. I just don't do it because everybody's different. You know, everybody has different money. So, there's that. But, my total came to $22.82 for everything. I got $8.25 back with Ibotta. I got 25 cents back because it was an any receipt. I got that money like the second. I didn't even like get out of the app yet when I submitted my receipt, and I got my money that fast. Sometimes it's super fast, and sometimes it takes like 24 hours. I don't know why it does that, but it just does. I got 8,000 points back. 2,000 of it was from the breath spray. Another 2,000 was from the Ponds, and then the other 3,000 points was from the Revlon mascara, and then it's the 5 times everyday points. So yeah, I got 8,000 points for that. So if you guys add everything up, I got everything for $6.57. I don't even know how many items I got. I didn't add that up, but yeah, I got about 4, whatever, I can't count. But yeah, for $6.57, I think that's a pretty good deal. Plus, I will also be getting a water bottle and EOS lip balm, so I'm pretty excited about that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you guys enjoyed it. I love it when you guys tell me how much you guys love my videos by giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I know most of you guys are, but hey, some of you guys are new and want to learn how to coupon at Walgreens. It is kind of difficult, but if you guys need any ideas or anything else that you guys want me to teach you, please let me know. I'm going to start making more updated videos on some apps and some other things. I just wanted to share with you guys on that. It is coming. I just am so busy. I have so many videos I want to do. I just don't have the time or the patience, or the weather is what's bringing me down. But yeah, so I will see you guys all another time for another Walgreens haul. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.